Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to part 44 Human Resource in Laravel 10. This is my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist inside this Human Resource in Laravel 10 43 video already uploaded. This video is 44 start. First of all, this my gem server already started. Apache and MySQL I started. This localhost and PSP my admin. Successfully open this PSP my admin, good working. This jam server inside htdoc, this folder name htdoc, inside this SR name, this SR project name is Laravel latest version 10. Let's localhost folder name is SR localhost SR. Successfully good working. This project open the Sublime text editor. This project open the Sublime text editor. Successfully my text editor. This open this project. Let's .env file open. This database name is available. This SR. Let's localhost already open. This database name is SR. This database name is SR available. Inside this user table, click this user, copy this email, password 123456, and role is 0 means employee, 1 means SR available. This paste here this email ID and password 123456 and click this. Show this password. Successfully don't save and successfully login available, good working. Let's click this job, add job, inside this good working, job history, this good working, job history is good working, but add job history, add, click this. Inside this static available, this department name is dynamic, add this is dynamic, add department name. Let's department, this two name is static available in this, click this department, this all name, this department, step by step add job history inside. Let's step by step start. First of all, this route open, add, click this, add job history, this URL, copy this URL and this route inside web.php file open, web.php file open. Inside this find this get method, job history controller, inside add function, job history controller, open this, inside add function, job history controller available, backend inside app, inside http controller, backend inside this job history controller, this available, this add. Let's echo a and die and save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully a available, good working. This backend inside job history, inside add resource, inside view inside backend inside job history, inside this add blade PSP, this static data available, this two static data available. Let's step by step dynamic set. Open $data, this variable already, this variable $data is passed, get departments is equal to this model department table, click this department table, this department table is available, this name department table available, inside model, inside available this department model, this department table, and copy this name is and use app model inside paste here. Successfully add, copy this and paste here, get and save file. This data add, copy this name and add blade PSP file open. Inside this forest loop start. step by step add this foreach loop add foreach paste here this variable is value department D short name. This remove is static data and foreach this start foreach and end foreach inside this name is available. This name is dynamic name set. This dynamic name set, this name is available. Copy and paste here. This remove dollar value id is equal to inside this id available this id. Good. And save file and refresh this page. Successfully available this all data department data available. Good working. This static data is removed. All data available. Good working this. This dynamic data available. Let's department click this. This data is available. Job history inside this. Click this. Add job history. This available. This database store already all set this. This department inside this model inside this department id successfully add. This click this back button, click this inside this dynamic data step by step set. This is static data available. This dynamic data set. Let's set this static list file. Open this list file. Job history inside this list file available. This static data available. Let's step by step this dynamic data. This remove this. This copy this URL. This admin job history. This job history inside this index function. This index function inside this job history model add this list file. Job history inside this list file available. Inside this remove this and save file and refresh this all remove. Let's refresh this. Successfully blank. Let's step by step check job history table. This available 1 2 2 2 1. This dynamic data 1 2 2 2 and 1. Let's click this department 1 is SDO and 2 is SOD. This dynamic data step by step set. First of all, this model already called this job history model. Open this model inside job history model. Click the job history. Inside this new function create public function get department name single. This add function and this return dollar this belongs to this add this table name is copy this and paste here class inside this name is open this table is job history. Click the job history and this department id. Copy this department id. Copy this name empty dollar value this name. Copy this name department inside this copy name department name and this copy this all and again paste here successfully set this dynamic data available this value. Let's refresh this page. 1 and 2 this available. This refresh this page. Successfully dynamic data set. Let's next record add. Click this add. Inside this add, this name add, this date add, and date. This coding developer. Inside this dev people add and submit. Successfully available. The dev people successfully dynamic name set. Dev people is 3 number id. Add this 3 number dev people. Click this job history table. Inside this dev is 3 number available. Successfully department id. Insert 3 number available. This name is good. Let's tap edit. Click this edit. Inside this not available, this static data. Let's step by step. Let's dynamic data set. This copy this URL in this get method. Copy and URL find this web.php. This get method available. This copy edit. Job history controller. Inside this edit function already add this inside. This copy already first add file inside this copy name and paste here. This successfully paste and copy this name data already pass. This copy name inside this backend, inside job history, inside edit. This edit blade.php file open. This static data available. This remove static data and step by step dynamic data set. This save file and refresh this page. This 2 name is available in this remove. This static data remove. This foreach loop start. Successfully add as value d and foreach option. This available this copy name and this paste here, and this name is available. This department model table. Inside this department table, inside this department name and this id, and copy value and this id add. Successfully add and refresh this page. Refresh this page. This department, this remove this department. This not available. Let's save, not a save file. Let's save file. Successfully save file and refresh this page. Good working. This all dynamic data. This dev we will select this. Click this. Click this. This dev we will select. Edit. And this dev we will not select. Let's step by step select. Edit value. $. This copy value and paste here is equal to this data already pass. This data already pass. Copy name and paste here. This name is paste. Successfully this get record already passed this. This select value, selected and save file and refresh this page. This name is selected dev people. Good working. This back button, click this. Edit this SOD. Edit SOD selected. this successfully selected. Inside this programmer add and this update, successfully good working this programmer, successfully all good this edit, click this, successfully available this programmer. In this update programmer is 7 number, id number 7, and click this job history. Inside this 7 number available, this 7 number successfully update, good working. This dynamic data set, step by step all good. This excel file is not a dynamic data add, click this excel file, click this excel export, this download successfully file. Inside this not available, this static data, let's step by step dynamic data set. Let's close this file, let's open this excel file, this model open, job history model open, and this join query add, this join query add, this list file open. This inside this list file job history get record. Inside this model, click this model, inside this job history table model, and join department. This name is available, this department table, click this department, again department. Inside this id available, this name is id add, and this table name is job history dot, and this name is, click this job history. Inside this department id, click this department id, this successfully save. Inside this excel button, click this excel file, this job history export, this job history export, inside this job history export, this available. Inside this static data available, this comment this code. Inside this job, this name is job department is not available. Inside this dynamic data name is show user. Inside this name is already add, this model copy. Inside name add department table dot, this department name, this click this department. Inside this department name copy and paste here, this department name copy, inside this paste, successfully dynamic data name chat. Let's refresh this page and export button, click this all dynamic data, click this export. Let's click this, successfully export. This dynamic data dev pool SOD, this programmer SOD, DSDO, this dynamic step by step all data export. This good working, successfully good working. This excel file is good dynamic data set, this comment code good. This inside this add job export, inside this model add this line, inside this to add, this list file is available good, belongs to this department good. This table add, successfully all set, this edit file all department set, this add file is available good working. And this job history controller, this available, this insert this table inside this job model, inside this add and edit, successfully good working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and please my channel subscribe. Thank you.